Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to do question number 7 of exercise 8b, and what they are saying that in question number 7 that we have two triangles. These two triangles are similar to each other. We have to find the value of unknowns. And remember that whenever there is a combination of two figures, so it's better to um, separate them. So I have separated this is a small triangle R. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we have to solve question number 7, and question number 7, this is the original picture or original figure that we have to find out the values of unknown in which two triangles are combined. So what I did the I separate them because it is easy for me to solve this. This is the triangle that is a tilted one or the rotated one. So when I will रोटेट इट लाइक दिस, जब ये इस तरह से रोटेट होगी, सो दैट मीन ये क्यू जो है वो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा और पी यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, आर यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. दैट मीन आई हैव टू इंटरचेंज देयर पोजिशंस. So I have made that triangle that is RQP, and the second triangle will remain as it is, that is RAB. Now I have to find the value of x. Remember that this value. So from here P is corresponding to B, so that means this is equal to 61. According to the triangle rules, I will figure out 52 plus 61. This is equal to 113 and subtracted from 180. So I will get the answer that is 67. So the value of angle, that is the value of x, is equal to 67. I got the value of x. Now I have to find the value of y. That means I have to find out the side. For side, I told you what we have to do. We have to find out the scale factor or the common ratio first. So if I will do, this is QP divided by AB. The value of QP is 12 and the value of AB is 9, and the answer from here, it is 1.33. Now I have to find y. On the other corresponding side, I have RP. So RP divided by RB. The value of RP is 14 and the value of RB is y is equal to 1.33, because it is given that they are similar figure. After doing cross multiplication, y is equal to 14 multiply with 1.33. So the answer is y is equal to 10.5 centimeter. So this is the answer for this question number 7. Moving towards question number 8. Again, question number 8 is a combination of two triangle, that is ABC is a bigger triangle, and in that there is a line, and from here we are having another triangle that is AP and Q. Remember, can you see that there is an angle 90 degree and here it is an angle 90 degree. That means I have to tilt this triangle like this. That I have did it for you. This is the original triangle, the bigger one triangle, and this triangle is this one, that is A. P will be on the bottom and Q will come over here. Now C and P are on the same position and they are of 90 degree. Basically I have to find this side, AQ. Basically I have to find. So for that, first of all I will see that which two corresponding sides I have given from there, this side and this side. From there I will find the common ratio, AC divided by AP. This is equal to 125 divided by 75, and the answer is 1.66. I got the common ratio. Now I can find easily what I have to find. AQ basically I have to find. So AB divided by AQ, this is equal to 1.66. The value of AB is given, that is 150 divided by AQ is equal to 1.66. Cross multiplication. So the value of AQ will be equal to 150 multiply with 1.66, and the answer is 90 centimeter. That is it for question number 8. In these question, if you will separate the diagram, it is much easy for you to identify that which side is corresponding to the other. Question number 9. A pole CD of height 3. This is a pole CD of height 3 is placed in front of a standing lamp AB that is 10 meter away. The length of the pole CE that is cast as a result of the light from the lamp is 6. Given that the triangle ABE, that means this bigger triangle, and the triangle DCE are similar, find the height of the lamp. That means you have to find this side. So again I will separate these two triangles for you people into two different triangles, so it is easy for you. Now I have separated these triangles, these two. This was the original one picture, so I separate this is ABE. Now this BE is the complete one, that is 10 plus 6, that is 16, and the second one is triangle DCE. So this is corresponding to this side, that means AB is corresponding to DC and BE is corresponding to CE, because over here it is 90 degree, over here it is 90 degrees. So first of all I have to find again that common ratio. So that means BE divided by CE is equal to, the value of B is 16 divided by CE is 6, and the answer from here is 2.6. Now I have to find AB. So AB divided by CD is equal to 2.6, and AB, it's unknown, that I have to find the value of CD, that is 3, is equal to 2.6. So AB will be equal to 2.6 multiplied with 3, and the answer is 7.8, that we can approximately equal to 8 meter. So this is the height of the pole. So that is it for today. Till from question 7 till 9 they are done. Next are the advanced level questions. If you want me to solve that question, you can comment me, I will solve them. Otherwise we will start exercise 8C. Thank you.